Got CRC errors on a switch port. Let's figure out if you should replace the cable or fix the duplex.
Welcome to the Explainer. We're diving right into how physical hardware and config settings trigger these frustrating errors.
A CRC verifies data integrity. If those checksums don't perfectly match, the switch just drops the corrupted frame.
So what causes this corruption? It's usually layer 1 physical issues, or those sneaky layer 2 duplex mismatches. Think of half-duplex like 2 tin cans on a string. If the other side expects full duplex, you've got problems.
Mismatches usually happen when one side uses auto-negotiation and the other is manually hard-coded to full duplex. The trick is separating layer 1 cable damage from layer 2 config errors just by looking at the symptoms. Seeing bursts of CRC errors, especially when you wiggle a cable, definitely suspect physical layer hardware damage. But if you check your stats and see late collisions paired with crawling throughput, that is your smoking gun. Late collisions happen when a half-duplex port gets interrupted by a full-duplex port transmitting at the exact same time. For the Network Plus exam, you absolutely cannot just guess. You have to follow a structured troubleshooting flowchart. To diagnose this like a pro, start right at the physical bottom layer and systematically work your way up. First step, just unplug and replug that RJ45 connector, or clean the fiber optics to rule out simple dust. Next, swap out the patch cord. If the CRC errors move with that cable, boom, there's your faulty hardware. Still failing? Try plugging a totally different known good device into that original port to see if it failed. Ruled out hardware completely? Now check the switch configs because speed and duplex settings must match exactly. Setting both sides to auto-negotiate or hard-coding them both identically solves that duplex mismatch issue right away. Pop quiz, the link is up, but it's painfully slow, spitting out late collisions and CRC errors. Diagnosis? It's a duplex mismatch. Bad cables usually drop the link entirely, while mismatches just keep it limping along. For the exam, memorize these red flags: late collisions, mixed auto and manual settings, and absolutely terrible performance. In a Cisco environment, pop in the Show Interfaces command to instantly check error counters and duplex status. Hey, watch out for hardware upgrades. Non-compliant third-party transceivers are notorious for generating silent CRC errors. To recap, check cables first for physical damage, then verify those duplex settings to resolve late collisions. Here's a final thought. If a perfect cable and config still yield errors, is your switch actually dying?
Over 1 million learners use ABC e-learning apps to pass IT exams. Find us in the bio.